About the current situation on the market tells about the current trader and founder of Crypto Shaman project Vadim Shavkin notes 4o'clock needs to pay attention to the vertical volume for the 13th March surge, comparable only to November dump, with the character bar to which this volume corresponds can be characterized as maximally bullish in just one bar. The sidewall was broken through 22.5 to 3.800. Another update $25.200 happened quite momentum. This mark is an important extreme of the entire summer fall accumulation in 2022. The price has not just renewed this extremum once again and came back not from a false pullback stops a couple of days ago and successfully consolidated above the important what at the 4 to 8 hour bars over the past days. There is no high vertical volume and the price is renewing highs. It speaks about the absence of at the moment the absence of a big seller who holding back the market. The general nature of updates of the highs in recent looks rather weak. The price clearly straddles the white bars with the trend line and cannot break through it. The probability is not high even now. An important factor in the weakness of the medium-term growth is the word uptrend structure. The market should not have gone $20,000, even if only for a short time. There is a strong resistance at the top of the $28,500. $31,000 to it is about plus 10% of the current marks. At that said, the price in just a few days made plus 35%. In terms of risk revert, to expect an increase in the current positions is not. Price has already made plus 35% since the recent low at the top is a big powerful resistance at $28,531,000 with the chance that the next upside attempt will end with a breakdown of the 1.5-month uptrend trend after such a long run. It's logical to wait for a pullback at least to $25.200. If the descending correction will be smooth and the subsequent sideways motion will last at least for a week, then it is necessary to expect new attempts of updating the maximum on the night of Monday, March 13th. Quotes of the first cryptocurrency sharply rose from the mark of $20.200 to a level and over $22,500 after the opening U.S. trading saw a significant sell-off in the banking sector. Stocks Bitcoin price responded by rising above $24,000 on Tuesday, March 14. Digital gold continued recovery, betrayed the milestone of $26,000 in Friday, March 17. Bitcoin surpassed the $27,000 mark. At the time of writing, the asset is trading at $2.7200, up 33.4% for the week. Following Bitcoin into the all cryptocurrencies went into the green zone, and the top 10 by capitalization, according to Kongi, more than others over the week, were BNB plus 23.6% and Ethereum plus 21.6%. Starting in 2025, income from digital assets will determine a separate section in tax return forms UK. This follows the amendments. The national budget is presented in by the country's finance ministry. In the tables of expected Britain's expenditures and revenues, the line crypto assets will only appear from 2025 to 26 years. In other words, citizens will have to declare their income for the previous reporting period. 2024 to 2025, the department has specified a minimum mark of expected receipts of $10 million, approximately $12 million. No specific figure was provided. The initiative is consistent with plans to develop a regulatory framework for cryptocurrency nonprofit organization charter. Is a Saudi institute welcomed the plan of the country's Ministry of Finance. Need to declare crypto transactions to the Internal Revenue Service would help raise awareness of citizens' obligations in this area, pointed out the deputy president of the SIAUT. Henry Ashford, the specialist, stressed the need for additional measures to counteract the widespread ignorance of tax and reporting of digital assets. In July of 2022, authorities in the UK invited the public to discuss the possibility of introducing taxation staking and crypto loans. Recall Bank of England Governor John Conley proposed to regulate digital assets similar to traditional financial. He also noted that decentralized protocols do not yet provide an effective way to manage risk. In December 2022, the dwarf called for create a regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. The emergence of systemic problems earlier in the UK Parliament introduced a draft bill on financial services, which included regulation of digital. This is where I say goodbye to you. Subscribe to our channel by clicking on the bell and be sure to write a comment below the video.